Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am here with another awesome recipe which is one of the most loved Goan snack, that is beef croquettes. In a bowl add 250 grams of beef washed and minced, add salt, 1 teaspoon heaped of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 tablespoon of Goan vinegar, mix it well, keep it aside and let it marinate for 30 minutes. In a mixer jar, add 2 green chilies, 1 Kashmiri chili, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 6 cloves of garlic, half inch of ginger finely chopped, 5 black peppercorns, 6 cloves, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of water. Cover the mixer jar and grind into a fine paste. If required, add more water whilst grinding. Heat oil in a pan and add the marinated mince. Pour the ground masala from the mixer jar. Mix well. Add 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce. Mix well. Cover and let it cook on medium flame. Stir in between to prevent it from getting stuck. Add few fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well. Cook on medium flame till all the water dries up. Remember to keep stirring in between to prevent it from getting stuck to the pan. In another pan, heat oil. Add 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped. Saute on medium flame. Add a pinch of salt. Mix well. Once these ingredients are sauteed, transfer this to the cooked mince. Mix well and switch off the flame. Once this cools down completely, transfer this into the mixer jar. Cover the mixer jar and grind into a fine paste. Transfer into a bowl. Break any lumps if formed. Add few fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix well. You can taste this mixture and add more salt if required. In a bowl, break 1 egg and beat it. Pour little beaten egg into this mixture. Mix well. We will be using the rest of the beaten egg to coat the beef croquettes. Add little chili powder. Mix well. Break lumps if formed. Take portions of this mixture in your palm, press it to form cylindrical shape. Ensure that there are no cracks formed. Roll on the chopping board to shape it up properly. Add a pinch of salt to the beaten egg and mix well. First coat with the beaten egg. The bowl, add 1/4 cup of semolina and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Then coat the croquettes with the semolina. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the croquettes on medium flame. Fry the croquettes in batches. Make sure that you don't overcrowd the pan. Beef croquettes are now ready. Thanks for watching.